Hey everybody, Andy Stickel here. Today I was talking to somebody, a personal injury attorney, and he was telling me that it's impossible for car accident lawyers to get cases from social media. And obviously nothing is impossible, but the problem was he just didn't know how to do it. So I want to show you really quickly how to get car accident cases if you are a personal injury lawyer using social media. And it's actually really simple. Most people just don't understand how to do it because there's no option on Facebook that says, you can target by name, you can target by location and age and gender and occupation, but you can't target by recently been in a car accident. So what you have to do is you have to be a little bit creative. So what I always tell lawyers is that the first thing you need to do is you need to figure out, who do you actually want to work with? Who is your ideal demographic? Maybe it's men and women ages 35 through 50. So what you're going to do is you're going to target that entire audience. So you're going to create a Facebook ad and it's going to target 35 through 50, male and female. Now, inside of this demographic here, if you're in a major city, really anywhere, there's going to be a small pocket of people that need your services. Maybe these people right here have been in a car accident, they got injured, and they need a personal injury attorney. So how do you find them? Because this right here could be a couple million people, and this might be only a couple hundred, a couple thousand people. So how exactly do you separate these people from this other demographic? Now let me show you exactly how you do that. The first thing you need to figure out is these people right here. What is it that they want? If you've been in a car accident, if someone's been in a car accident, what are the biggest fears, the biggest concerns, and the biggest desires that they have? And you need to make a list. And your top three, you're going to record a video for each one of those fears or those concerns. So maybe the first concern is, I have no idea how I'm going to have an income because I'm injured and now I can't work and all my bills are stacking up and I have no idea how I'm going to make any money. Second might be, since I don't have any money, I don't know how I'm going to pay all these medical bills. The car insurance company isn't handling all this, and they're trying to deny my claims, and I have no idea how I'm going to pay all these medical bills. Maybe the third is the car insurance company is contacting, asking all kinds of questions, and you don't know exactly what to do. They are basically trying to, and what you can do is you can talk about different ways that the car insurance company tries to trick car accident victims after a car accident so that they don't have to pay as much money. So what you're going to do is you're going to record 3 videos, 1 video for each of the top 3 concerns. So you'll create 3 videos, make sure each video is at least 5 minutes long, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So we got video 1, video 2, and video 3. So now what you're going to do, video 1, the number 1 concern for car accident victims, you're going to run this as a Facebook ad and you're going to show it to this entire demographic. Everyone in this entire demographic is going to see, is eligible to see anyway, this video right here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to create some rules on Facebook, and this is where Facebook's magic really happens. What you can do is you can tell Facebook, now that we have this video running, we're going to make a list of everyone that watches 25% or more of video 1, and we're going to show them video 2. Now, why are we doing this? Well, if you remember before, I told you, you want to make these videos at least 5 minutes long. So 5 minutes long, 25% of a 5-minute video is 1 minute and 15 seconds. On social media, on Facebook, that is an absolute eternity. No one is going to watch 1 minute and 15 seconds of a video about something very specific that only car accident victims care about if they weren't actually in a car accident. But actually, okay, some extra people might. So maybe what'll happen is you'll start, maybe you'll kind of get closer to this demographic. So these people are definitely gonna be interested, and maybe you'll get a couple people that are just curious. Maybe you get somebody that just left the web browser open. Who knows exactly what it is. So what's gonna happen is you've got people that watch 25%. We'll call this the 25% watchers right here. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna tell Facebook, show them video 2. Video 2 is the second high value video, and it's also about 5 minutes long. So now we're gonna show video 2 to this group right here, to the people that watch 25%. Now we're going to create another rule, and we're going to tell Facebook, show video 3 to people that watched 25% of video 2. So now the only way to see video 3 is if you've watched 25% of video 2 and 25% of video 1. Now keep in mind, both of these videos are both answers to questions that car accident victims that are very specific to car accidents. Each video is 1 minute and 15 seconds at least. So by this point, people have watched 2 minutes and 30 seconds at least of your content on Facebook. What are the odds that somebody that has not been in a car accident or doesn't know somebody that's been in a car accident is going to watch 2.5 minutes of your content if it doesn't impact them? It's very, very small. These are the people that are watching these videos are the people that fall in here. So now this video right here, and of course this is the this is the third concern that car accident victims have. It's going to go right to car accident victims. And that is how you create a video that is speaking directly to car accident victims. So now you're going to do one more thing. You're going to create one more video. I'm running out of room here. And that video is going to go to everyone that watched 25% of video 3. Now, this video is a direct pitch. This video says, you're going to talk directly to the person at this point. You're going to say, hey, listen, my name is John Smith. I'm a car accident attorney. I know you've seen a few of my videos by this point, and you probably have a lot of questions about your car accident case. If you would like me to take a look at your case and help you out and give you a free strategy session and show you exactly what your legal options are, what money you might be owed, and how to handle the car insurance companies, and answer any other question you have about your car accident, I am here to help. Click the link below, book a strategy session with me, and I will point you in the right direction. I will make sure that you know exactly what you need to do for your car accident. If I can't help you, I will absolutely find you somebody that can help you. What do you think the odds are that somebody that's watched all of these videos and then you make that type of pitch, what do you think the odds are that they're not going to call you? It's pretty good. They're going, I mean, this works so well. So that is how you take a really difficult, a really broad subject like people that have been in car accidents, and you narrow it down so that by the end you're getting right in front of the types of people that you're targeting. Now, the cool part about this is that it all happens automatically. You set this whole thing up once and it just happens automatically. It's constantly running and constantly running. Now, here's another cool hack with Facebook. What you can do is once you have this audience right here, the people that watch 25% of 3 of your videos, those are people that have likely been in car accidents. So what you can do is you can tell Facebook to create a custom audience. I'm going to spell it wrong. I'm spelling it wrong. A custom audience from these people right here. So what that's going to do is that's going to look at all the people right here, and it's going to figure out what do they have in common, right? What do they all have in common? And then you're going to create what's called a lookalike audience. And a lookalike audience goes out and it finds more people that are just like this 25% right here. And what they all have in common is they all got in car accidents. And maybe the thing, and Facebook has so much data on people. I mean, it could be, what it could figure out is they were recently at a hospital, or it could look at their browsing history, or different things like that. You never know what it is that Facebook is not telling you, because Facebook is pretty creepy. They have a lot of information on you that you don't even know about. So what you can do is then you create a custom lookalike audience, and now you show, after that, once you have maybe 100, 200 people in your custom lookalike audience, you can show video 1 to your custom lookalike audience instead of this entire demographic here. And this entire thing gets smarter and smarter and more accurate and more accurate and more accurate.